In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in Google Docs effectively, ensuring that you have all the tips and tricks needed to enhance your documents with rotated text elements for a professional touch. Let's start by getting into Google Docs. Begin by opening your preferred internet browser and search for Google Docs in the search bar. Click the link that takes you to the Google Docs homepage. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to do so. Enter your credentials when prompted, and you'll be directed to the main Google Docs dashboard where you can see all your documents. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open the document where you want to add rotated text. Now, looking at the top of your screen, you'll see the menu bar that has several options like File, Edit, and Insert. Click on Insert to begin the process of adding a drawing where we'll place our rotated text. Hover your mouse over the drawing option in the drop-down menu and then click on Plus New. This action opens a new window where you can create a drawing. In the drawing window, direct your gaze to the toolbar at the top. You'll notice an icon that looks like a T inside a square. This is the text box tool. Click on it to activate it. Then, click and drag on the canvas to draw a text box. Now, in the text box you've just created, type in the text you wish to rotate. If you already have your text copied from somewhere else, you can simply paste it inside this box. Once you have your text inside the box, click on it to select it. You'll see a small circle appear at the top of the text box. This circle is your handle for rotation. Click and drag this circle to rotate your text to your desired angle. You can rotate it as much or as little as you need to create the effect you want. Once you're satisfied with the rotation of your text, it's time to return it to your document. Look towards the upper right corner of the drawing window and click Save and Close. This action will insert your drawing with the rotated text directly into your document at the current cursor position. Now, your rotated text should appear in your document exactly where you wanted it. If at any point you decide you need to make changes, you can simply click on the drawing to open the editing options once again. With these steps completed, you've successfully learned how to rotate text in Google Docs. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you can apply these steps in your future Google Docs projects to make your documents stand out.